Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to add action buttons to Instagram profile. If you're using Instagram and you want to add action buttons to your Instagram profile, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your Instagram app and here just tap on your profile option in the bottom right. And from here, you just have to make sure that you have a creator or a business profile. So you cannot do this on your personal account. So just tap on edit profile option here. And here you can see that you haven't any option to add action buttons. Now you can go back. To switch your account, you just have to tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right. And here just scroll down and look for the option of account type and tools. Just select that option. Then select switch to professional account. Then tap on next. And you just have to set up it in which way you want. So once you have set it up, professional account, it might be a creator or a business account, you just have to go back and here you'll see a professional dashboard on your profile once you have done your set of your professional account. Now you just have to tap on this edit profile option and here you'll see the option of add action buttons. It's the action buttons option. If you don't see this, you just have to go back, try to relaunch your app, or you can also try to update your app. So after doing that, you have to simply go to Instagram profile and here just select edit profile option and you just have to tap on action buttons and from here you can easily add action buttons which you want to add on your profile screen. So in this way you can easily add action buttons to your Instagram profile. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.